on, guys? Average Hack here. I'm working on a 94 F350. I'm going to be doing a four-wheel drive conversion and a manual transmission conversion from the E40d. It went out on me about a week ago, and I was just done with it. Started spewing. I had a shuttering problem. Bad shuttering problem at 2,500 RPMs going uphill, and then finally the front seal, I guess from the shuttering, it just started pouring transmission fluid out of it. So I picked up this T19 from a junkyard, and I don't know anything about it. It came with the dual mass flywheel, but after reading online, I'm just going to put a single on there. Then I still got to track down a Dana 60 for the front end, but thought we'd just get this in first. And she had some pretty good rust in her. Cut these out. I want to be, should be getting my floor stuff and the cap corners in next week. I got these seats out of a 2004 Ford. They work okay. So yeah, a little bit of work, but the engine's got 124,000 miles. And another thing we're going to do is we're going to have to move this bed forward. I'm not sure why, but the way they mounted it is not good. So the bed needs to go forward about 2 inches or so. So yeah, so I'm going to get this power washed here, and then I'm going to tear into it, drain the fluid, see what we got. Hopefully the gears look good in there, and go from there. Hopefully I don't find any cracks in the bell housing. Alright guys, just got done power washing it, and definitely got some cracks. Probably should have checked this better, but I was still going to buy it no matter what, so I wasn't too worried about it. See, goes down there, and looks like this is going over here. So hopefully there's no more in here. See, this goes down all the way there. I think the rest of it looks good though. I think. Alright guys, got the bell housing off. It's 5/8, and you're going to need probably a swivel adapter. Right here on that driver's side lower bolt. It's hard to get in there with a straight socket. So anyway, now you can see here, crack there, crack there, crack there, going down there. So, and then you can see crack there, and crack here. So, everything else looks alright. So I guess, I don't have a welder that'll weld aluminum, so I'm gonna have to buy that. And be my first time ever welding, stick welding aluminum, so hopefully it goes alright. Anyway, I'm gonna pop this cover off here, and hopefully the gears and everything's okay. Open this up, that's pretty nasty. So So alright, let me get this cover off and take a look inside. And I'm going to drain this oil. See how dirty it is. I'm not sure if someone's been in here or not, because it's like RTV silicone. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if they came from the factory that way or what. I ordered a new gasket kit. You see that? Oh no, I hope that's not a needle bearing. At some point. Guess that'll clean up. Probably been sitting a long time. A bunch of rust under here. Alright. Yeah, guess the gears look alright. Besides this. Well, glad I opened it up. We're gonna have to definitely gonna have to do some cleaning. So I think before I drain the oil, I'm gonna go ahead and take a wire wheel and try to get that rust off, and clean this off too. Alright guys, went and got some diesel. And I looked online, talked about kerosene, automatic transmission fluid and kerosene. I'm gonna use some brake clean and diesel to clean that out. Alright guys, I got it cleaned out as best as I could. You can see in there. See if I can get you in there. Well, you can kind of see. I used brake clean and diesel. So, bad news. Bad news is I found this on the magnet pan. I do not know what that is or where it goes. I got a book coming, but it's not going to come until next week. So I'm going to go inside here and Google and see what that was, where it went. I'm really hoping it went up here somewhere on the shifter. That would be great. But I doubt it. It's probably, I don't know, probably something in here. a lot of rust there. I still think I missed. I'll probably be alright. Alright, well, that'll be it for this video, and that'll be it on this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.